Hello everybody, welcome back to Bare Basic Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the fprint statement. So if you remember from the last video I did, the print statement takes a string and then sends that to the console for the programmer to see. Right, so I'll give you an example just to refresh. So let's say we have a variable called years old and we set it equal to 10 as a string. And we want to print out a statement to the console that says, I am today years old. So we're going to type print, open parentheses, quotes, I am, end the quotes, do a plus sign, type out years old, add another plus sign, more quotes, as of years old as of today. Now when we run this, it'll give you this statement. So now this works, but you got to be really careful here with your quotations, right? Because all it takes is you miss one and try to run it and you got problems. So it can be a good way to do things, but sometimes it's just frustrating. So if you use this other method that I'm going to show you today, this is called fprint, where it's very similar, except you just write f before you start typing your string. So you put your double quotes, I am, and then the other difference is you have to use double brackets instead of the plus signs surrounding your variable. So I'll type it out and you'll see what I mean. You would agree that this is the same exact phrase as this when you see the output. So again, it prints both times, same exact way. I am 10 years old as of today. I'm 10 years old as of today. And so again, what this does for you is it takes away some of the confusion of having the double quotes here. So that's all I have for you today, guys. If you liked watching, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks.